So that's the the big view. Let's look at the part I need to finish designing and 3D print. And why am I 3D printing it? Um, I think it creates more opportunities in the future. Future? Okay, so I'm choosing. Do I want to like just like make this piece? Um, make that from wood, or maybe I will want to like make it from plastic, or metal, or something else. So I'm uh, I'm considering that right now. Like now, I I could just um, I could just like attach like a piece of wood right here, glued in from behind, uh, and then this piece. That plastic, like I could remove that and make it all from wood and glue it like all together. But I might want to change that in the future. So, like, what's the point? I guess I should have already said. We are trying to make the bathroom module stronger and make the latch like work right. So let's look at the CAD. So my CAD's not like a perfect representation like of the real world. Um, this thing, I like I drew it just like a rough rough size. Rough, rough. What is it? What is it? Where is it? Rough, rough. It's like this or something, right? Rough. Uh, rough, rough. I think it's like problem or hard. This is problem, problem, hard, rough, rough. Bark. Isn't this bark like a dog or belly laugh? Rough, rough. Point is why am I 3D printing it? I have my reasons. You will see. Okay, so let's fix the CAD. Over here, like I measure, like I think around an inch. Let's see. About 1 3/8. 1 1/4. Seems safe. Oh, that's where the camera should have been. Okay, live and learn. Live and learn. Okay, so let's measure what we have. A little model, our little support piece. is 1.4. So that's too big. I need to make it smaller because in the real world, I don't have that much room. Okay, so what are my driving or my controlling dimensions? It's this measurement. Oops. That measurement needs to be 7/16. 7/16. 7/16. It needs to be 0.4375. It needs to be about 0.4338. Okay, so this little clip, which I already put back into my inventory. That's that size. So okay, so the end of that clip. Okay, so that dimension I can't control. I can't change that. I need one. This is about 1.04. Plus some adjustability, I'm gonna have 1.2. that will give me enough space for that measurement because that was round 1.375. So I said if we measure it to 1.25, yeah, that's right. 1.25. We would have enough space. Okay. What am I trying to say? This measurement is, that distance is you can see it on the screen, it's around 1.04 plus some adjustability, some movement. Give me 1.25 or whatever. So actually, let's get that adjusted. Let's look at this. Okay, so we're looking at this piece, this sub-assembly. This sub-assembly. Open, there it is. Open sub-assembly. Thank you. Okay. This is the piece we need to 3D print in the machine. Okay, I need a way to like do a clap like on the the computer audio, like a different track to look at the noise from the computer CPU. Play me a ding sound. How do I get a warning? There we go. Okay. See if you see that, or if you can hear that. If you can see that waveform. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Stop the. Okay, so we have a controlling dimension of, what was it again? .15. Now this is too big for the to fit in the space on the bathroom module. So what can I do? Well, let's look at this part. Okay, that point 3, that distance is, it's 1.15 plus the 0.3. So that's where you're, well, just go into the freaking sketch and do it. This dimension is controlled by that 0.3 and the 1.15. So if I made this smaller, I could get that 1.25. That's my goal. Oh, there we go. 1.25. But that's pretty thin. So like, what? Hold on. What's this dimension? Okay, good. So let's look at what else we can do. You gotta spell it this direction. This direction. Let's add some plastic on the sides. Okay, let's make it 3D, print it, and go. And then we'll make that. We'll put it in, and then we can like take measurements from that, and see like where can I add support like if I need it, like where can I connect lights. Whatever, build it, measure on it, and then understand, oh, this is how I should have designed it in the first place, the first way. Not first